Martian! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Stilts, Calatagan, Batangas. And today, I will talk to you about taking a break with nature. So usually when we take a break pag weekends, sanay tayo na nagne-Netflix and chill or nagsa-staycation na lang din dun sa mga hotels sa city. Pero I think if we really wanna take a break, there's something about nature that's just so different. And it's this one. So for me, there are three things that nature gives me versus yung mga hotel staycations. Number one is it surprises you. Like, there is no one day that is the same when you vacation in nature. Like this morning, pagising ko, may mga crabs dun sa beach na kumakain lang sila, naglalaro. And yung isa rin na nakita ko nung pumunta ako sa US, for example, akala ko nakita ko na lahat. Pero I think nung dumaan kami sa mga mountains, parang meron dong mountainside na super nagandahan ako. And parang na-realize ko, I haven't seen everything in this world. And the world has so much more to offer. Kaya instead of feeling na wala na akong pwedeng bagong gawin, meron na ulit akong bagong to look forward to even see more of. And for me, that is one thing that nature gives. It surprises you and it excites you. Number two, it fills you with their own life force. Hindi ko yun ma-explain pero pag nasa nature ako, parang lalo akong napupuno ng buhay. And yung mga anxieties ko, nawawala siya. Nakakalma nila ako. Parang feel ko, nararamdaman ko rin to actually kapag may plants sa bahay and nag-work ako, titingin lang ako sa plants ko. Bigla na lang ako maka-calm down and matutuwa na lang ako. For some reason, being with nature reminds you that life is truly worth living. Tapos, number three, nature also reminds you that there is beauty in just the way you are. Kasi sa akin, pag tinitingnan ko yung nature, kunwari, eto yung dagat, even yung mga birds pag naririnig mo, and yung mga sea creatures na nakikita natin dyan, even the plants. You know, hindi naman sila nagtatry maging best brand manager in the world or best doctor or magkaroon ng Nobel Peace Prize, but they're just beautiful just the way they are. And it's also reminding me, and I hope sa lahat ng listeners din natin, na just being you is enough. You are beautiful just the way you are right now. And allow yourself to grow in that knowledge na hindi ka kulang sa ngayon. You are already enough and you are just blossoming to who you want to be. So there, three things that you get when you take a break with nature. And I hope sa ating mga titos and titas out there, you take the time to also take your nature break.